A benefit of the new Cirris Core Module is the ability to install module cards to adapt your system to different applications. So, let's install a module card on the 5150 and 8250 testers. First, exit the EasyWire software. Note, you can see your current setup in the software before shutting down. Next, power down the base and all the connected expansions by toggling the power switch on the rear panel to the off position. For added safety, disconnect the power cable as well. Remove the top and bottom screws. For the 8250, remove the top and bottom rails by removing the 4 screws holding each in place. Then remove the blank panel covering the position in which the new module will be installed, or remove the existing module that will be replaced. Install the new module by placing the top and bottom edges of the printed circuit board into the exposed internal card guide, and carefully sliding the module into the unit until the connectors on the rear end of the printed circuit board fully engage. The new module's front panel should be flush with adjacent panels. Replace the top and bottom screws, or in the 8250, reinstall the top and bottom rails using all 4 screws in each rail. When the unit is restarted, the new replacement module will be automatically recognized in EasyWire. Now you can test your cable assembly the way you need to. Don't just test your device, you should Cirris it.